Home decor is not just about aesthetics. Behind a beautifully arranged space lies a wealth of tangible benefits that can be felt by the people living in it. First and foremost, the right decor can greatly enhance comfort. A neat, clean, and well-organized room creates an atmosphere that makes us want to stay longer at home, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. In addition, the style of decoration also reflects personality. Every choice, whether it's color, furniture, or even small accents like paintings or throw pillows, can reveal the character and taste of the homeowner. This makes the house feel more personal and meaningful. Good home decor also has an impact on mood. Soothing warm tones, soft natural lighting, and an uncluttered layout can directly shift your emotional state to feel more relaxed and positive. More than just looking beautiful, well-conceptualized decor prioritizes functionality. Every element not only enhances appearance, but also supports everyday activities, from a cozy living room to welcome guests to an efficient kitchen for cooking. And just as importantly, a well-decorated home can increase property value. When a house looks well maintained and thoughtfully designed, it becomes a significant asset, especially if you ever decide to sell or rent it out. So, home decor isn't just about making a room look pretty. It's an investment in comfort, identity, and long-term value for your living space. We are often tempted to buy decorative items simply because they look pretty or are currently trending. However, good home decor is not just about aesthetics. It needs a clear and cohesive concept. Well conceptualized home decor means that every element in the room is integrated and supports one another. From color choices and texture combinations to proper lighting and furniture arrangement, everything should be thoughtfully designed to create a harmonious and comfortable atmosphere. Without a clear concept, a home can look crowded and disorganized. Clashing colors, mismatched furniture, and poorly arranged spaces can make the room lose its purpose. Instead of feeling relaxing, the space ends up feeling chaotic and exhausting. That's why it's important to define a style or theme before starting any decorating. With a strong concept, your home will not only look beautiful, but also feel comfortable, functional, and reflective of who you truly are. Decorating your home can be a fun activity, but it also comes with its challenges. Without proper planning, it's easy to fall into mistakes that can ruin both the look and comfort of your space. Here are 5 deadly sins in home decor. 1. Too many decorative accents. Sometimes we want to showcase all our decorations at once, from ornaments and vases to paintings and patterned pillows. However, having too many elements can make a room feel crowded, cluttered, and lose its visual focus. The key is to choose only pieces that truly support the room's overall concept. 2. Neglecting lighting. Lighting is a crucial element that's often overlooked. Poor or improper lighting can make a room feel dark, cramped, and gloomy. The right lighting, on the other hand, can enhance your interior's beauty and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. 3. Ignoring the room's function decor should align with the room's purpose. For example, placing a large sofa in a small living room can obstruct movement and reduce comfort, or using a thick, shaggy rug in the kitchen may look nice but is impractical. Aesthetic choices must always balance with function. 4. Mismatched color combinations. Random color combinations can make a space feel noisy and uncomfortable. Colors should be carefully chosen to complement each other and create visual harmony. Use a balanced color palette and consider the psychological impact of each color. 5. Blindly following trends. Trends can be a great source of inspiration, but not every trend fits every home. Blindly following what's popular can cause your home to lose its character and feel outdated quickly. The best decor reflects your personal style and lifestyle. So, that's it. 5 home decor mistakes you'll definitely want to avoid. Decorating should be fun, not stressful. Just make sure your space feels good, works for your daily life, and shows a bit of you in every corner. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you in the next video, and happy decorating!